Hey, you! Welcome to today's top tips in 2 minutes for smartphone photographers. Today's top tip is... Wait a minute. Once upon a time, when I was but a wee lad, our class decided to put on a musical extravaganza. My teachers, perhaps inspired by what may have seemed to be a musical and rhythmical challenge on my part, decided to give me an instrument known only as the triangle. An instrument that plays only one note, and that note once every 2 minutes in a song that is 1 minute and 56 seconds long. Just to set the record straight, in later years, I learned to play the guitar and rap like the best of them. Cat, mat, bat, rat, yo, yo, yo! I was crushed. How could they do this to one so young? However, through the years, as I began to meditate on the triangle, I learned a technique and a secret that will revolutionize your photography. Today's top tip is shoot triangles. Triangles are a really powerful compositional technique that the best photographers use. A triangle is a primary shape, and that means when most people see it, it gives them a feeling of solidness, stability, balance. However, if it's a really lopsided triangle, or you turn the triangle upside down, you can actually change the feeling that it gives people and introduce a feeling of tension. Triangles can be literal, or they can be implied. For your inspiration, here now are a few ways to shoot triangles. That's a triangle. That's a triangle. That's a triangle. This is a triangle. Word. Yeah! This is loads of triangles. That's a triangle. So go out there and triangles. Tell my grade school teachers I sent you. I hope you found that useful. What are your favorite compositional techniques? Subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to be notified anytime I put out a new video. And remember, it's not how good you are, it's how great you are becoming. I am Visual Magpie on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And until next time, take care.